everybody. It is day 3 of vacation, right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And couldn't swim at the beach yesterday. Going to the beach today. Hopefully we will be allowed to swim because I've never swam in the ocean before. So yeah, it's super cold today. Again, it was supposed to warm up last night and it didn't. It's not going to warm up till Monday, but by Monday we'll be moving on, finding somewhere else to go. So, tear. But yeah, are you ready? Let's go to the beach, let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. Found a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad like me or her to come by. Get the Patron on, let's go get it on. Zon on, yes I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'm gonna blow all my money because I don't give to. I'm gonna go swimming in the ocean. What the nuts, man? This is wild. Yeah. Like moves your whole body, what the heck? This is wild. What the nuts, man? Crazy. Look at me crazy when I start talking about the plastic crisis, but the proof is in the pudding right here. Found this bubble wrap in our ocean, our beautiful ocean. This was going to kill a sea turtle. The plastic crisis is real, mother. It's real and it's killing our planet. Walking the beach for 10 minutes and I found more trash, a water bottle and a whole balloon. What the nuts, man? Come on. Right there buried his kid in sand and then threw Fritos on his kid and all these seagulls came for the attack. I'm crying. The dad put Fritos on him. Sweet, sweet revenge. Here in Delaware, we're gonna make it there in 3 hours. We got this. I got some hash browns from Dunkin' Donuts.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes, we're getting there. Nice one. My nose ring. Hey! Get vlog footage right there, me fixing my nose ring. We're coming up on the Appalachian Mountains. Sometimes you can see them in the distance if the trees are cooperating and like not in the way. Yeah. So, oh, look at the Appalachian Mountains. Up there ahead. Ah! That's what we should do on our next trip. We should go to the Appalachian Mountains.
No.
I want to go hike the Appalachian Mountains.
No.
Ah! A life goal of mine is to hike the entire Appalachian Mountain. I think that would be so cool to do. The Appalachian Mountain. Whoa. Like you can see it way over here and then like way out the back window this way. It's insane. I realized it was hard for you guys to see on the camera with all the bridges and like cars and everything, but in real life it's really cool. Still hard to see because of all the trees and everything, but literally the Appalachian Mountains right there. Wow. Welcome to Pennsylvania. Pursue your happiness. Woohoo! Are you happy?
Thrilled.
I speak out against slavery. You could have done so much more if you only had time. And when my time is up, have I done enough? Will they tell your story? Thomas Jefferson's coming home. Thomas Jefferson's coming home. Thomas Jefferson's coming home. Lord, he's been off in Paris for so long.
Last hotel room. We're ordering pizza because we're both hungry. I'm gonna have pizza and my leftovers from yesterday. I'm super excited about this. And yeah, we're super tired. So it was so sunny and bright the whole drive here that we were in the sun the whole time, and we were like getting sun-baked and sunburnt sitting in the front seat. So we're really tired from the sun today. Top of the beach, and that we're done
Look at the
for.
shirt I got at the beach. It says Salty Vibes. It matches my phone, and that has Rehoboth Beach. Oh yeah, looking snazzy in my favorite color.
Have the leftovers. Let's get
Pizza's here. Time to smash. Okay guys, I just took a shower and I'm about to edit today's vlog and then go to bed and get ready for tomorrow. Comment below where you think we're heading tomorrow for our last day of vacation. I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!